guys, nakita yung sitwasyon diri. Atong ligid doon ay screw. So kung madugay na to na muhiyos gini sa kalugayan. So to prevent this to happen, si bago ni nga ligid kay bago. And then pag sige mo padagan, sige padagan niya, plata kay yung ligid hantod madaot na niyang inner kanto, no, mag-chewing siya sa inner side, and then obviously kinahanglan pag bago. So to prevent that nga makapalit kag bago again, imo ni siyang butang agpats, tangtangon imong screw. Ang mga gamit nga atong kinahanglan ani, kasi parang emergency kit na din ito. So ito siya, scissor, and then yung patching, and then screwdriver, and then this one here. This will punch out inside the hole of the tire, like the puncture thing. So here, okay, here, yo. So this is my partner here. Will make a video on how to. So this is how to do it. Okay. Once you have that screw or puncture thing remove, then you have to dig in. Palakihan mo lang ang butas nito. Actually murag bula pa siya ka-penetrate jug. Bula siya ka-penetrate, no? Just make sure na you're in. So inyo siyang push back and forth, right back and forth, like that. Purpose dia para mag-level lang niya, level lang niya ang tire, yung bangag. And then make sure to prepare this thing here, the sticky thing, sticky pads. Okay, just remove one of those sticky pads and then flatten head. Actually you should prepare this before you punch to, para you're not losing air too much. And once you're in like that, then remove. What's in there? It's very hard. Make sure it's in. Hindi po basta-basta maputol siya sa loob dahil wala siyang sharp object. Ang pagputol niyan is pagbira lang ninyo, kaya pa siya maputol. Okay, yan po, nakalapat na sa loob. Saka nyo birahin. Nakalapat na siya. Yan, kasi sharp object po dito yung pagbira. And then yan, putol na. And then once na naputol na, okay ng gunting, saka nyo gupitin yung natira na parts. Okay, make sure na naka-label talaga siya para hindi siya disturbo sa pag-ikot mamaya. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, and then kung may tubig kayo, lagyan nyo ng tubig para ma-determine nyo kung wala ba siyang singaw, no? Or whatever, walang leaking. Yan lang po, yun ang pinaka basic on how to patch puncture tire. Make sure you have this ready on your car, as you can have this here, put this thing here ready all the time. Okay, you have also the what it is, the pump. So you have the pump, because you have to pump the tire. It's losing air but not much. So this is your emergency kit na din ito, or emergency kit, no? So we're gonna pump here, because yung mga Hyundai guys, Hyundai Santa Fe ito, so meron siyang tire pressure sensor, no? Ito, so pump natin, meron siyang kits, nilalagay natin dito sa mga 30 something. Nakikita natin bumaba siya, no? Ang presyo bumaba dahil nga meron siyang singaw. So pa-pump natin yan, gawin natin 30. Pump up natin siya up to 30 psi, 33 psi ilalagay natin. So kita nyo wala siyang you cannot hear anything, so that means the patch is penetrate in the puncture. Mabibili nyo to guys sa mga shop, itong foot pump. Mura lang ito, and I tell you it's really worth it to buy these things, like emergency kit, pati na rin yung itong pump at saka yung patch kit. Okay, so malapit na siya, nasa 25 na siya. So yan guys, nalagay na natin 30 psi. Okay, nasa 30 psi yan siya, and then once you have that, then you can remove. Okay, and then that's it. And if you have water on you, just pour water in here on your, if you have water like mineral water, whatever, put water in here. Double check if there is leaking on the air leaks, and then if there is air leaks, then you're gonna have to remove the parts again and have to be redone. But there's no, you cannot hear air leaks here. Okay, so that's good. So that's it guys, thank you. So wala tayong tubig, ito coke pwede na ito. We just double check if there is air leaks or whatever, so there's no air bubbles. That means we're good. Okay, thank you, bye bye.